Welcome viewers of Utal Silvestre, and thank you for joining me today to learn about one of the most magnificent creatures soaring the skies of South America, the Andean Condor. Scientifically known as Vultur gryphus, is one of the largest flying birds in the world. It holds significant cultural and ecological importance, particularly in Chile, where it is a national symbol. This condor has an impressive wingspan that can reach up to 3.3 meters, and they can weigh up to 15 kilograms, making them one of the heaviest flying birds. In appearance, the condor has black plumage with distinctive white feathers around the neck and patches on the wings. Also, males have a comb and wattles, which females lack. When talking about the habitat, the Andean condors are found along the Andes mountain range, from Venezuela and Colombia down to Tierra del Fuego in southern Chile and Argentina. They prefer open mountainous regions where they can take advantage of the thermal updrafts to glide effortlessly across vast distances. These birds are primarily scavengers, feeding in carrion. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot carcasses from great heights, and by consuming dead animals, they play a crucial role in ecosystem, helping to prevent the spread of diseases via water sources or decomposing carcasses. Andean condors are social birds, often seen roosting in groups. They are monogamous and mate for life. The breeding season is usually from February to March, with female laying one egg every 2 years. Both parents share the responsibility for incubating the egg and caring for the chick. The Andean condor faces numerous threats, including habitat loss, poisoning from carcasses laced with pesticides, and hunting. Several conservation programs are in place to protect these majestic birds, including habitat preservation and breeding programs. Efforts are also being made to educate the local communities about the importance of the Andean condor to the ecosystem. To finish this video, let's start making a little recap. In summary, the Andean condor is a remarkable bird with significant roles in both the environment and the cultural heritage of Chile. Despite facing numerous threats, concerned conservation efforts give hope for their continued survival. Don't forget to comment if you have an important information that wasn't in this video, and give us a like if you enjoyed it, or even share it with your friends. Thank you for your attention.